Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we fix keyboard problem in Samsung phone device. Once you want to fix guys your phone keyboard problem guys you have, so friend, how can we solve guys this means guys, how can we fix this keyboard problem in our Samsung phone device. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So guys you will have to on guys your phone setting and guys scroll it. As you can see guys your phone guys, this phone general management setting guys, open it and friends click on guys your phone keyboard setting, then guys scroll it and friends you can see guys this phone guys reset to default setting guys. We will tap here, so guys you can see reset keyboard setting guys, tap here to reset. After reset guys your keyboard problem will fix and guys you can use guys your keyboard guys without any problem guys. As you can see guys there you can use guys your keyboard setting from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to fix keyboard problem in our Infinix phone, Samsung phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching.